I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to cancel your Costco membership through the app, follow these steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Open the Costco app. Launch the Costco app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your membership details. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Tap on the account icon, usually found in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your membership. Step 3. Select membership information. In the account settings, look for the option labeled membership information or membership details. This section contains all relevant information about your membership status. Step 4. Initiate cancellation. Find the option to cancel your membership. It may be labeled as cancel membership or end membership. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After initiating the cancellation, you will likely receive a confirmation screen. Make sure to read any final details and confirm your cancellation. You may also receive an email confirmation afterward. Remember, if you have any pending orders or refunds, it is a good idea to resolve those before cancelling. Good luck, and I hope this helps you navigate the app easily.